topic about business mathematics. Okay, in this business mathematics we are going to learn the what is cost price, profit, loss and selling price, simple interest. Okay, how we will find out this? By using this we have to find the problems. Okay, business mathematics is nothing but when we have already learned in our previous classes about money and operations on money. Okay, that's all. But about in this topic we are going to recall that previous class lesson. Okay, we have learned already, but now I am going to explain you with some examples. Okay, first of all we are going to learn what is cost price and what is selling price formulas. Okay, whenever the price of an object or an article is purchased, we call it as a cost price. Okay, an atom is purchased, then we call it as a cost price. That is, when we purchase anything like bicycle or any chocolate, for that we call it as a cost price for rupees 200. Then this price is of an atom, of any atom, then that is called as cost price. What is the selling price? The price at which this is purchased price. Okay, when we buy any object. Okay, now what is selling price? Selling price means what, children? Selling means when we purchased and we have to sold it at any cost, then that is called selling price of an object. Okay, for 500 rupees I am going to sell this item, any item. Okay, then that is called the selling price of an item. For example, I am going to the X X is a man who sold the item like bicycle. He sold at rupees 500 or 5000 rupees. Then this is the selling price of the bicycle. Okay, he sold the item. Okay, now in these two examples we have the cost price and selling price. Okay, the selling price is what, 5000, and cost price is 2000, and let us take this as 2000. Okay, now selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, then profit is what, we have some profit obtained here. What selling price is 5000 minus cost price is how much, 2000 rupees. Now how much, 3000 rupees is the profit. Okay, the X got profit of rupees how much, children? 3000 rupees of profit, because he sold at 5000 but he purchased at 2000 only. Okay, 3000 profit he got. Okay, like this we have to find the profit, selling price, cost price, and loss. What, whenever selling price is less than the cost price, then loss obtained for that man. Okay, loss is cost price minus selling price. Okay, CP minus SP is the cost price. This is SP minus CP. Okay, now what is cost price? How you will find the cost price of an item? If it is the loss or profit is given, we can find the cost price. Okay, we know that cost price is given as selling price plus loss. Okay, how we will find? If we have the selling price amount and loss amount, then we add it, we get the cost price value. Okay, like this we can easily find how we will find cost price means selling price plus loss. Here also, if selling price is greater than cost price, we get the profit, that is SP minus CP. This implies P is equal to SP minus CP. This is profit. And loss means L is equal to this one. CP minus SP is the loss we have to find. Okay. Now, if SP is profit is given and we have to find the cost price, what we have to do? Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Okay, this is another way to find the cost price. Okay, now selling price, how to find the selling price of a given item? If we have the cost price is given and profit also given, then we have to add the cost price plus profit, then we get the selling price. Now, what is the selling price when cost price is selling price when cost price and loss is given? Cost price and loss is given, we have to subtract from loss. Okay, subtract the cost price and loss. Okay, now another one formula is how to find the profit. Profit remains profit percentage. Whenever we want to find the percentage of profit, we have to find the profit first, and we have the value of cost price also, then multiply with 100. This is the formula of percentage of profit. How much percentage of profit you got means we have to write down the profit of amount, and denominator we have to write the cost price of an item, into we have to write with 100. Loss percentage, how much amount of loss you got in percentages means loss value we have to write, and CP cost price into 100. Okay, like this we have to remember the formulas. Whenever any problem we have to apply these formulas. Okay, selling price and loss is given, we have to apply this formula cost price and add this. Whenever selling price and profit is given, we have to subtract. Here selling price same like this, cost price and profit is given, we have to use the profit percentage, loss percentage, like this. Now I am going to explain you with these examples also. First I am explaining the formulas. Okay, cost price, selling price minus profit, and next what, some examples I am going to show you here how to use this formulas. Here next I am going to show the formula of simple interest. What is simple interest? A loan is amount that a process person borrows from a bank or a financial authority to fulfill their needs. Then a loan amount should be returned by the person to the bank. Then that amount interest called the that financial authorities on time with an extra amount they will take, that interest is called the loan. Okay, sometimes we will deposit our money in the bank for few days for keeping the money bank, or pay some interest on that amount, then that is called the deposit. Okay, simple interest is nothing but money deposited in a bank or borrowed from a bank is called a principal amount. Money deposited in a bank is principal. Okay, the period for which we deposit is called the time deposit the amount. Okay children, understanding about simple interest, what is simple interest I am going to tell you how to calculate this. Simple interest is a method to calculate the amount of interest. Okay, amount of interest. Okay, for a given period of time, period for which we deposit the amount. Okay, or that is called as time. Is time t. This is p. And next, what is that? PTR, time, and P, and R means what? Rate of interest. The interest usually calculated on percentage. Rate of interest. Okay, that is given as R. So this can be calculated as SI means simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Okay, in previous classes we learned about simple interest, that is PTR by 100 is the formula to find the simple interest. Okay, now another formula, that is what amount we are taking. Okay, simple interest is PTR by 100. Whenever the interest we have to find, we use the simple interest, that is principal, time, and rate of interest. And simple interest added to the principal is called the amount. What amount we are depositing, that amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Okay, this is the value of amount of finding any given problem. Okay, let us see one example. Okay, on simple interest, if principal amount is rupees 5000, given that is rate of interest is 4%. Interest how much is given? 4%. And time period is 2 years. Find the simple interest. Means simply we have to use the formula for finding the interest of given values. Okay, simple interest. Okay, now principal P is equal to rupees 5000, and rate of interest, that is R, is given 4%, and how much T is given? 2 years. Okay, now what? Simple, we know that the formula we have to write, that is, we know that SI equal to PTR by 100. PTR by 100 means P means 5000, T means 2, 4 is R by 100. Now 5000 into 2 into 4, PTR by 100, that is 2 zeros and 2 zeros get cancelled. 50 into 2 4s are 8. 50 into remaining is 2 4s are 8 means 5 zeros, 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40. Then therefore the simple interest is how much? Rupees 400. Okay, like this we have to solve the problem. Now another example I am doing here for finding the profit. Okay, Sonu purchased a television. Okay, television on for rupees how much? 54,000. Okay children, and sold it at rupees 59,400. Find the profit or loss of Sonu and profit percentage also. Okay, we have to find the profit and profit percentage. Okay, let us do this problem. Take this as the cost price is how much? Cost price is rupees 54,000. Now selling price sold at how much? He sold the television at selling price is how much? 59,000. 59,400. Okay, now what is the formula of profit? Profit is selling price SP minus CP. I have written the boxes. Okay, now profit how much he got? Profit is equal to 59,000 rupees, 59,000 minus rupees 54,000. Okay, now 59 minus 54,000, we got rupees 5,400 profit. Okay, this is profit we obtained. Okay, now we have to find the profit percentage. What is the formula of profit percentage? I have written here already all formulas. Profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay, now use this formula to find the profit. Okay, percentage of profit. Okay, profit, value of profit by cost price into 100. Now how much profit he got? 5,400. By cost price how much? 54,000. Okay, into 100. Now what we have to do? See here, two zeros I am getting cancelled. Now how much? 5,400. This zero also cancelled by here. Now 540 in numerator and 54 in denominator. Now 54 ones are 54 tens are. 10 is remaining, that is 10% is profit percentage obtained. Okay, so he got profit of rupees how much? 5,400 and profit percentage is 10%. Okay, like this we have to do the problems by using the formulas. I have written in the boxes already to show that important formulas, and whenever any problem to find the simple interest or profit or loss, we have to use these formulas. Okay, please remember these formulas, children. In boxes I am highlighted to remember this. Profit for SP minus CP, loss means CP minus SP. Okay, CP, CP minus SP. Here cost price means SP plus loss. Okay, SP means selling price plus loss. Cost price means selling price minus profit. Whenever profit is given, we have to use this. Loss is given, we have to add. Okay, selling price, cost price plus profit. If loss is given, we have to subtract selling price. Cost price are opposite. Profit percentage means percentage, we have to find how much percentage of profit obtained. Profit by cost price into 100. Loss means loss by cost price into 100. Okay, like this. Simple interest means principal amount money deposited in a bank. Okay, that is principal, that is P. Principal amount, not principal, principal amount. Period of time for which we deposit the amount in a bank, then it is called as time period. Rate of interest, how much interest we obtained on that amount, that is R. That is SI is what? PTR by 100. Okay, this is written here again in the box, that is SI is PTR by 100. Amount we have to find, then principal amount plus SI, we get the amount value. Okay, like this we have to use these formulas in the problems. Please use these formulas. Remember all these basic formulas of business mathematics chapter. Thank you for watching, children. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos in maths. Thank you.